wanna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when
Hey guys, it has been an exciting past couple of weeks around here. Both of the kids have had some really amazing opportunities for each of them in their areas of interest. Kenya had some really great opportunities for her music and singing, and Lincoln also had some great things come his way. In this next video, you're gonna be able to see 2 fun activities that he's been able to do through his aerospace and aviation academy that he goes to. It has been amazing to see each of the kids have experiences in areas that they're interested in, and to see these doors starting to open up to them and see them start reaching for their dreams. In this first part, Lincoln was able to go up in a glider plane in Boulder. This was available with the program that we have him in with Wings Over the Rockies. So he went up to Boulder one afternoon, was able to go up in a glider plane, and I have to tell you, Luke hasn't even been in a glider plane yet. So Luke was really excited for Lincoln as well. It was a fun experience for Lincoln. It was interesting to see the footage that he got himself, but for me as a mom, I was just a little bit nervous with this first flight that he took.
What I'm going to go up in today is a glider plane, and it has no engine to power it, and it doesn't take off because there's no engine. When we take off, they hook another plane to the front of the glider, and then that plane takes off, and we go about 3,000, 4,000 feet in the air. There might be a little air turbulence, but I think it's gonna be amazing. And once we get in the air, the other plane drops the hook or unhooks it, and we glide for, glider planes can stay up for many hours, multiple hours, because there are thermals. It creates lift, so you stay in the air for quite a while. How you land is they lift up the flaps, I think is what it is, and that makes it go down and down and down, and that plane only runs on one wheel. The people who fly these are very highly trained, so I can't wait for this. And also, I'm gonna try my best to get some video while I'm in this plane. Okay, so we are just arriving, and here is what the airport looks like. Woo! We're in.
Hi, I'm here too.
This is my friend Yusuf.
That is so cool.
honestly, guys, I'm a bit nervous. It's hard for me just to let Lincoln go do these things, but I know if he's gonna be interested in becoming a pilot or aviation, I'm gonna have to just start learning to let go and trust. And thank goodness I have Luke, who has experience in this field too, so it helps keep me a little bit calmer. But I will admit, I'm a bit on edge this morning because Luke couldn't be here for this, and so it's just so hard to let Lincoln go up with somebody and everything. But I'm just so amazed and excited that he even got this experience, so I can't wait to hear from him when he gets on the ground. But I have all these mom thoughts in my head right now. I hope he's okay. What happens if he gets cold? What happens if he gets sick? I hope he doesn't get sick, but I'm sure he's having the time of his life right now, and I can't wait to talk to him until he's back on the ground.
Yep.
They just landed, guys. Lincoln,
Next tour.
how was it?
It was amazing.
Okay.
Yeah?
I wish I brought gloves.
Your hands are cold?
Yeah, it's freezing up there.
Yeah. All right, so one word to explain it all.
Awesome. Incredible.
Yeah?
Insane.
So did you do some turns and stuff? What'd you do?
Yeah, we pulled about 3 G's on one turn.
Yeah?
Yeah. We did a little dive. Yeah, we went really far up and then just dived down twice. That was amazing.
Would you do it again?
Yes, I would pay $1,000 to do that again.
Do you even love flying even more?
I love flying now. I mean, I did love it, but now I love it even more.
And you didn't throw up?
No.
Okay, good.
Well, I gotta show you in there, they have a puking bag. Thank you so much. This experience was amazing.
It is Saturday morning and we are off to the airport, but it's not the regular airport. Today, Lincoln is taking his first introductory flight. So this is one of the many things that he is doing through his aviation school that he attends, and we are all going together as a family to watch this happen. Do you remember your first introductory flight?
Well, technically it's not his first introductory flight because I gave him his first introductory flight when I took him flying when he was 8 years old. And I put him in my lap and let him fly the airplane, and I have video of that. I'll try to splice it into this video so you can see, but I got him flying on my lap when he was 8 years old, and he controlled the airplane. It was pretty cool. But so he's used to it. He knows what he's doing. He's flown before. But this is his first official introductory flight where he'll be sitting in the seat by himself and be able to actually probably manipulate the controls. I don't even remember my first introductory flight because I was flying with my dad at a very young age. I was sitting next to him when he was flying because he had his private pilot's license, and we would go on trips and stuff when I was young. So I don't even remember the first time, but I do remember that very vividly, my first solo flight, and that was when I was 16 years old. I flew a plane all by myself, and that was a blast. It was scary though, I'll tell you that. 16-year-old taking off in an airplane, doing some touch and goes.
I can't imagine what your mom was going through at that moment.
They were, I don't even know if they came to the airport that day. I think mom or dad did, because somebody took video of it. That is on VHS, so I have no way how to, I need to figure out how to get that on.
There are ways, yeah.
But yeah, I flew a plane by myself probably before I drove a car by myself, actually. Now that I think, because I was a little late in getting my driver's license. So, because I was in trouble.
Imagine that.
Probably bad grades or something. So.
Okay, here is the young pilot.
Aviator,
the young aviator.
Hey, don't do any barrel rolls in the Cessna,
man.
okay? They're not made for that.
Would you fly with your brother?
If he was the only pilot.
If he was flying, no.
Luke just found out he gets to go up with Lincoln. So this is exciting because they get to do it together.
Yes, I have enough.
All right, so spin a little bit. Yeah. Right. So I got a little bit. Jump up in there.
Yeah, just hit it.
All right, if you want to jump up in there.
Just started it up and getting ready to go.
All right, awesome.
He's got his hands up there ready to fly it. Look at him.
Yeah.
You flew the whole thing.
Wow, Lincoln.
Yeah, you did awesome. It was a very smooth flight.
Yeah.
It's a really pretty day.
Beautiful day for flying.
Russ is gonna come over and take a picture.
You couldn't ask for better weather. Seriously.
Good. And then Lincoln.
Here, can you hold this?
Here you go. Certificate to prove you went, prove you did your flight, and then we want to get a picture with you by the airplane.
It's a great flight. The no wind at all hardly, so it was very smooth flying, and he did a great job. They actually let him fly it a lot, which is great.
Yeah?
He flew almost the whole thing, and then the pilot who was with him just kind of helped, you know, control a little bit.
Guys, it was so amazing to see Lincoln be able to do this. And on the second flight, it was awesome that Luke could even go up with him and experience that with him. I love the fact seeing Lincoln take an interest in something that even Luke has a passion for, and for his dad to be able to share that passion with him. It's a fun bond to see forming between Luke and Lincoln. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these videos. I'll include the links down below of Wings Over the Rockies and Mile High Gliding, which is the place that let Lincoln and his class go gliding as well, if you guys are looking for information on that. We thank you guys for watching, and from our family to yours, we're wishing you a happy new year.